go, Jannat! Let's go, Jannat!
China standing?
Ayyo!
Yeah!
Rajendra Swami, what brings you to the motherland?
I'm just in search of my hometown here in India. The only issue is I can only recognize it by their dance style.
Well, let's just start from the north, okay?
Where are we going first?
We will start with Punjab, land of Bhangra and delicious lassi.
Different than that.
Well, on to the next one then. This is Gujarat, land of Garba, Ras and many yummy. Daisies are always so confused.
I've heard of Bombay, land of Bollywood. Can we get there?
Please tell me this was the one.
No, it was more upbeat.
Okay, let me take you to Goa. Maybe you will find something more poppin' with all these youngsters.
You know, I had a lot of fun, but this was not it.
Okay, that's it. I'm taking you to my hometown.
मेरे खाई तू ही बता जाऊं मैं